In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a photo in Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that's both user-friendly and powerful, whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, or invitations. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly replace a photo in just a few simple steps. To begin, if you're on your Canva dashboard, you'll find two main options to get started. You can create a new design or click on one of your recent designs. For this tutorial, we're going to jump into a design we previously worked on. By clicking on the recent designs, you get straightforward access without needing to start from scratch, a real time saver. Once you're in your design, the next step is to navigate to the Elements section. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Elements, which includes a variety of resources you can incorporate into your design. Search for frames here. Frames are extremely useful in Canva as they act as placeholders for your images. They automatically crop your photos to fit the frame shape, so be sure to browse through the options and select one that best suits your design needs. After selecting your frame, the next step is to upload the photo you intend to replace. You'll see an Upload or Elements option, where you can add images from your computer or choose from a plethora of elements available on Canva. For this tutorial, we'll go over to the Uploads section, which is where you'll find all the photos you've previously uploaded or can upload new ones. Whether you're working with personal images or stock photos, this area allows for quick access and organization. Once you've chosen the photo you'd like to insert into your frame, simply drag it from the Uploads section right into your selected frame. This drag and drop functionality is not only intuitive but streamlines the process of customizing your design. Now, let's say you need to change out this photo. Here's the easy part. Click on the current photo within the frame, and you'll see a trash icon that appears. Clicking this icon will delete the photo, allowing you to keep the frame intact, ready for a new image. This is a great way to experiment with different looks without having to redo your entire setup. Lastly, go back to your uploads and choose the new photo you'd like to insert. Again, drag this new image into the frame where it will automatically adjust to fit just like the previous one did. This way, you have the flexibility to swap images until you achieve the perfect look for your design. And that's it. By following these steps, replacing a photo in Canva becomes a straightforward task that anyone can master. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.